Hey friends, if you wish to change the game text language in Valorant, then please watch this video. So I have already opened the Valorant client, but if you wish to know how to open it, then you have to click on this button here and log into your Riot Games account. So I have already done that, and this is my Valorant account. To change the language, you can click on the settings symbol at the top right corner and then select settings. Now go to the general tab. It might not be on the general tab by default. You have to go to general tab, click on text language, and you can change it to anything else. So there are very limited languages here actually, like English, German, Spanish, and Latin, French, Indonesian, Italian, and Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Polish. So Turkish and Vietnamese, and just one more language. This one is Chinese. So we have very limited languages here. I prefer to keep it at English United States, but you can choose whatever you want to. And once this is done, you simply need to close the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.